Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Canon TS9550, and now I'm going to show you how to set up read-write attributes on this device. So firstly, open settings, choose device settings, choose other device settings, choose read and write attribute and click OK. So here we have writable from USB PC or not writable from USB PC. So this setting controls the read-write permissions for connected storage devices. So it determines whether data can be read from or and written to the device. You can use this to manage data transfer capabilities for USB or memory card connections. So you can use it to appropriate permissions based on how you want to use connected storage, for example, readable from USB. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.